Hey guys, how y'all doing today? We're going to be doing a how-to video on how to... What was wrong with it again?
We jammed up the wood chipper.
Jammed up the wood chipper, so you'll need a...
Half-inch drive.
Half-inch.
Hey!
That's what I forgot.
The video.
There's the guy we did the car review on earlier.
It's on the front of the dash of that truck. Jonathan, I'll let you go over and do it.
Huh?
On the front dash, driver's side,
Uh-huh.
it's video for him.
Okay.
The disc.
Here, you want to do that?
Yeah. Here goes Jonathan after this. There he goes. Look at this widescreen shot.
Alright. Get to doing that, not waste my battery. So it's in the truck?
Hi Mo, we're on the dashboard. How you doing, buddy? It's amazing I can fit your entire car in this video here. I'm only 2 feet away.
I know.
Oh, yeah, the chipper. Oh, yeah, we're having a great day here today. We jammed up the wood chipper, so now we're going to take it apart and fix it. Start with these 4 bolts, which hold everything on. Socket drive, a 1/2-inch socket, and we're going to take those 4 bolts off. Jonathan will be back in a minute and hold the camera so that I can actually get at the socket here. Here we go. I like to loosen them up all the way around. Take one off completely. See you later, buddy. Tell Sharon I said hi. Here you go. I had to beat on it with your camera.
Ha 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 ha. Funny.
See you, Mo.
Sorry if there's a lot of wind noise, guys. The camera doesn't take external microphones with the wind thing, so you gotta just take that bolt off right there.
Yep.
And this one is the Craftsman what? Is there certain?
The dinosaur.
Is it really named the dinosaur?
I think it chipped when the dinosaurs roamed the planet. I'm not really sure.
Yeah.
He's pretty old.
Yeah, well, they're basically somewhat the same, right?
Yes, they
Know
are.
how to do it?
Yes.
Alright, so.
You gotta take the chute off the chipper mechanism here. Hopefully I can get to it right here. If not, then we have to take this
Thing apart?
thing apart to get that chunk of wood.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
Yep.
Your turn. Just do on the other side. Okay, folks.
Two on the other side?
Jonathan is now going to do this.
So.
2 on the other side. There's one here, one there. There's one over there.
Oh.
You see it?
Yep.
There's one under. You learn by doing.
See? Yeah, that's a bit of a problem. Yeah, because it's literally hitting right here. Take that. Alright, now we're going to use this 1/2-inch wrench.
Not a winch. As in olden days when females were witches. Using a wrench.
Yep. I'll just come back when this is done so you guys don't have to watch me undo it. Okay guys, so we had to finish those bolts. There was one where I showed you and there was one all the way on the bottom. After you get those done, we pull it apart.
There's the chipper blade right here. And these two pieces of wood were stuck in there.
Yeah.
A little too big to take in. So that's what happened. We had to get them out so that the blade can turn freely.
Yeah. And you said if you're by yourself, the best way to undo it is
scissors car jack.
Yeah.
So you can hold it up here. I think no, it's still not turning. It's free. Okay.
Alright, so is that it?
Yep, that's it.
Then you just put it back together like you took it apart. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.